Are you suffering from vertigo? If you are, then you've probably already seen a medical doctor. You've probably already seen a neurologist. You may have tried some different maneuvers like Epley's or the Carol Foster maneuver, which I personally think is the best one. But sometimes vertigo is not caused by stuff in the inner ear, which are what those maneuvers are aimed to fix with benign positional paroxysmal vertigo. So sometimes just a simple misalignment in the neck, in particular in the upper neck, can affect and cause vertigo symptoms. So a lot of these situations would be helped simply by going to the chiropractor, getting your neck checked out, and possibly getting it adjusted. And often vertigo goes away almost immediately. So if you're dealing with vertigo, if you've already tried all these other things, maybe it's time to get checked out by a chiropractor.